This one change turned my bills into income. Seriously, let me ask you this. How many bills do you pay each month? Rent, groceries, gas, internet, you name it. Now imagine if even one of those bills was covered by income you made from your phone while sitting at the kitchen table. Hi, I'm Holly. I was 70, in debt and stuck until I found a better way. One that turned my bills into income. It starts with a mindset shift because we've been taught to spend every dollar we make instead of building something that earns for us. Here's how I flipped the script. I found a model that pays full profit, not commissions. I committed a couple hours a day, no more and no less. I automated my system so it works even while I'm living my life and having fun. It's like this. Instead of your money going out each month, imagine money flowing in, enough to cover bills and then some. It's not magic, it's a method. And guess what? It really, really works. I am no tech expert. I don't do sales calls and I don't chase people online. I just follow the steps I was taught. And now I teach others the same. Comment bills or debt if you're ready to flip your money mindset. Or visit my site at Holly Pring Daily Pay and see what I follow daily. Any questions? Just send me an email and I'll gladly respond and answer your question.